Hi my dear friends, myself Sayyida Rohaya Fatima and I am from grade 9. Performing my biology activity, the topic is the growth of root tip of onion. Do you know how the plant grows? It is the continuous and an active division of cells. To study the growth of cells and tissues, need two same size onion bulbs, two glasses filled with water and one scissor. Now place the onion bulbs on each glass such as the lower surface of the bulb is in contact with water. After that, leave the both glasses undisturbed for 3 to 4 days. Now observe the onion bulbs on each day to note the growth of roots. In this glass, the root grows continuously. The root tip is region of growth. It consists of tissue is called meristematic tissue. In next glass, which root tip was cut, there is no result, no cell division, meristematic tissue is absent. We concluded that the root tip of onion has a specific type of tissue called meristematic tissue, which causes the growth of plant. Meristematic tissue is a group of cells that divides and grows continuously and hence causes a plant to grow.